The hip stretch portion will begin with a squat hip stretch. You'll begin to a deep squat, push out on both sides, alternating sides, push out and hold for 1 or 2 seconds. Repeat as you desire. Next, you put both elbows inside and push out on both legs. Hold as long as you need. Next up is the kneeling hip stretch. You'll be on your knees, feet tracking outward. Lay back as far as you're comfortable. And then come forward and stretch out the lower spine. And repeat this also as needed. The calf and glute section will begin with a calf stretch. In this position, put one leg over the other and gently push the heel into the floor. Same movement on the other side. One leg over the other and gently push the heel into the floor. Next up is the pigeon stretch. You will lie on the floor, put one leg in front of the body, and gently lie down on it and hold for 10 or 15 seconds. Switch to the other side, same movement, leg across the body, hold 10 or 15 seconds. Repeat this also as needed. The super stretch is a multiple joint stretch routine. From this position, you will extend one leg back, bring it up to the front, take that same arm up overhead 2 to 3 times. Extend upward, stretch out the hip flexor. Come back down and repeat on the other side. Extend one leg up, bring it up front. You will note that the arm that extends upward is next to the leg that is brought upward. Extend that arm up 2 or 3 times. Repeat that as needed. We'll begin the foam rolling on the shins. You want to be on the outside of the shin, the anterior tibialis. Slowly back and forth. Gentle sustained pressure. Then you want to move to the quadriceps. Again, gentle sustained pressure. Back and forth slowly. If you find a sore spot, it's a good idea to hold there, sit on it for a little bit. You can also move the roller to the inside of the leg and switch sides. We want to move next to the IT band, the large band that runs up and down the leg, the outside. Gentle sustained pressure, move very slowly across the band. Switch to the other leg. Again, slow movement. If you find a sore spot, it's a good idea to just sit on there for about 30 seconds to release the fascia. Next, move to the glutes. To target the pressure a little bit more, you can lift one leg over top of the other, and that will target the pressure on the gluteus section. And then switch to the other leg. Again, slow movement. And lastly, move to the back muscles, very slowly up and down. I like to put my arms overhead to change the angle. Move all the way back to the thoracic spine. I like to pick one leg up and put it to the side while hanging onto the foam roller.